You all welcome back to फिजिक्स कॉर्नर। तो इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स एनालिसिस। अब तक हमने जो कॉम्प्लेक्स एनालिसिस का डिस्कशन किया था तो उसके ऊपर हम कुछ सवाल लगाएंगे। ओके, उसके बाद हम सिमिलरिटी टॉपिक शुरू कर देंगे। तो देखिए पहला सवाल, which were asked in CSIR NET June 2012. What is question? If u of x y, that is the real part x plus half x square minus y square with the real part of analytic function f of z of the complex variable z equals to x plus y, then what is the imaginary part? देखिए क्या दिया है, रियल पार्ट फाइंड आउट कर क्या है, इमेजिनरी पार्ट। जस्ट अप्लाई योर रूल। u of xy is given, that is x plus half times x square minus y square. This is your real part. Now differentiate this real part with respect to x and y partially. That's why dou u by dou x. I am deriving real part with respect to x. That's why for y, for x, y is now constant. Therefore derivative of x is 1 plus half times. Here the function is y also present, but I am going to derive with respect to x. That's why for this y is constant and derivative of constant 0. Therefore here the derivative of x square is what? 2x. To get cancel 1 plus x dou u by dou y. Okay, I am going to derive with respect to y, and for y x is a constant, derivative of constant 0. Also here x is constant, derivative of minus y square minus of 2y, 2 to get cancelled minus. Yes, I have partial derivatives of x and y of a function real, that is u. Now what is the formula for finding imaginary part? That is dv equals to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. But I don't have a partial derivatives of imaginary part with respect to x and y. Now what to do? Use the CSIR equations. What is CSIR equations? Dou u by dou y, dou u by dou x equals to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y equals to minus of dou v by dou x. Now using this CSIR equation, I am going to replace these derivatives. dv equals to, in place of dou v by dou x, I can write here minus sign, minus of dou u by dou y into dx. Now in place of dou v dou y, I can write dou u by dou x into dy. Any problem? No. Now see, dv equals to minus of dou u by dou y is nothing but minus y into dx plus dou u by dou x is nothing but 1 plus x. Now the form of exact differential equation, that is m into dx plus n into dy. Therefore here you have to take y constant and here only integrate with respect to dy. Okay, if x is present, eliminate that. Now I am going to integrate plus c. Therefore integral dv v, minus minus get plus, y is a constant, therefore take it outside, integral dx x plus. Now see here x dy get cancelled because x is present, therefore 1 into dy, integral of dy y plus c. This is your imaginary part for this given real part. डोंगरी क्वेश्चन था भाई, कोई भी सॉल्व कर सकता है। अब देखिए सेकंड क्वेश्चन, which were asked in GATE 2016. The imaginary part of analytic function this much. Imaginary part is how many? 2xy plus 3y. The real part of the function is 0 at the origin. Okay. The value of real part of the function at this point. Okay. देखिए imaginary part दिया है, क्या है? 2xy plus 3y. But they have also given that the real part is 0 but where at origin. Okay, कॉम्प्लेक्स प्लेन में ओके यहाँ पे रियल कितना दिया है 0 but the value of real part at a 1 plus I, that is here they are asking the real part. This is x-axis and this is y. This is the coefficient of x is 1 and here 1. They are asking here. Okay, at this point what is the real part? Now see, first of all we have an imaginary part, so and we have to find the real part. Use the as usual v of xy is given, that is 2xy plus 3y. Okay, this is given. Now differentiate this v with respect to x and y. First of all, with respect to x, for 2y, okay, because here 3y is a constant for x. Now differentiate this v with respect to y, 2x plus 3. Okay, no problem. Okay, जो हम मेथड यूज करते हैं वही मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं. अब देखिए, therefore du equals to dou u by dou x into dx plus dou u by dou y into dy. Okay, this is the formula for real part, but we don't have these terms because we have imaginary part and we have a partial derivatives of imaginary part with respect to x and y. Now just using this CSIR equation we have to replace. Therefore dou u by dou x is replaced by dou v by dou y. What? Dou v by dou y into dx and dou u by dou y is replaced by minus of dou v by dou x, minus of dou v by dou x into dx. Now put the values of partial derivatives. Dou v by dou y is nothing but 2x plus 3 into dx. Okay. Now see, minus of dou v by dou x. You have a value of dou v by dou x, that is 2y into dy. Sorry, यहाँ पे dy चाहिए. Okay, dy. Again mdx plus and dy. Here you have to derive with respect to dx and take it y outside, and here you have to only integrate with respect to dy if x is present, eliminate. तो देखिए मैंने बार बार कह रहा हूँ, okay, याद रखना. Therefore I am integrating now. Now here integral du u, 2 constant bar integral of x square by 2, 3 constant bar integral dx x. Okay, minus 2 constant bar integral y square by 2 plus, just to rearrange, you got the u, 2 to get cancel. This is x square plus 3x minus y square plus c. Okay, as usual method we found real part, but now see they have given the real part of the function is 0 at the origin. That means if x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, this is the origin case. That is u equals to, अगर मैंने x और y की जगह अगर 0 डाला तो u क्या हो जाएगा 0, क्योंकि देखिए यहाँ पे 0, यहाँ पे 0 और यहाँ पे 0. But they have given this condition, but they are asking to find the real part at x at 1 plus I, that is x 1 plus I is nothing but what? X equals to 1 and y equals to 1. Okay, we have a real part now. U of x y equals to x square plus 3x minus y square plus c. Okay, now just put the values of x and y. Therefore 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus c. Therefore u equals to plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, 3 plus constant. This is the value of your real part at a function 1 plus I. Okay, 1 plus I means x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. ये भी क्वेश्चन डुमरी था. ओके, सिंपल सा सवाल था. ओके, देखिए प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल डेवलप कीजिए. जब तक आप खुद स्ट्रगल नहीं करोगे प्रॉब्लम के साथ तब तक आपको ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएंगी. ओके, तो देखिए और प्रॉब्लम्स देखेंगे. See the problem number 3 which you are asking get 60. तो देखिए प्रॉब्लम क्या है. Which of the following is an analytic function of a z everywhere in the complex plane. देखिए हमने एनालिटिक फंक्शन की डेफिनेशन सीखी थी. उसमें ये सीखा था हमने the function which satisfied the CSIR equation condition. That function must be, should be what? Analytic function. यानी कि जो भी गिवन फंक्शन रहेगा उस फंक्शन में CSIR इक्वेशन की जो कंडीशंस है वो सेटिस्फाइड करना चाहिए. तो देखिए हम पहला ऑप्शन लेंगे और चेक करेंगे. Option number first, f of z equals to z square. But now see, instead of z, I can write x plus iy. Am I right? Yes. Now see, x plus iy का whole square. फार्मूला लगाना है x square plus I square y square plus 2 times x into I. Just rearranging. X square minus y square plus I into 2 times x. Now you can see here f of z equals to u. This is u. This is v. U plus iv. Therefore you got u and you got v. Now what is this here condition? Dou u by dou x equals to dou v by dou y and dou u by dou y equals to minus of dou v by dou x. U का डेरिवेटिव with respect to x. What is u? X square minus y square. You have to derive with respect to x. Then forget about y square. Derivative of x square to x. You have to derive v with respect to y. Therefore, 2x is constant and derivative of y with respect to y 1. ये तो satisfied हो गया. Next, u का derivative with respect to y minus 2y. v का derivative with respect to x 2y constant, x का derivative 1. Therefore, example first जो भी पहला ऑप्शन था वही satisfied कर गए. That's why this is the correct option. Okay, which is the analytic function because it satisfies the CSIR equation. Double question. Okay, गेट में आया था 2004. अब देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 which we are asking just 2015. Now given an analytic function f of x equals to phi of xy plus psi of xy. ये भाई शंकर का त्रिशूल है, ये संभाल के यूज करना है इसको. अब देखिए कोई नहीं, ये u ये हमारा v. Just we have changed the variables. Okay, this is our real part and this is our imaginary part. Okay, where phi of x, that is the real part is this. Okay, then which of the following relation is straight? They are asking to find the imaginary. Okay, they are asking to find there is Shankar Trishul, that is nothing but the imaginary part. तो देखिए अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो रहा है तो एज यूजुअली इसको u और इसको v कंसीडर करके सॉल्व कीजिए और लास्ट में रिप्लेस कर दीजिए. देखियो इसको मैं u ही कंसीडर कर लेता हूँ. u of xy is given how many? x square plus 4x minus y square plus 2y. Okay, now as result I am going to differentiate this u with respect to x. 2x plus 4. Now do u by do y with respect to 1 minus 2y plus 2. Okay, now my aim is to find the imaginary part, that is dv equals to dou v by dou x into dx plus dou v by dou y into dy. But I don't have a partial derivative of imaginary part with respect to x and y. That's why I am going to use the CR equation, that is dou u by dou x equals to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y equals to minus of dou v by dou x. Okay, now replace, therefore dv equals to dou v by dou x is replaced by, देखिए यहाँ पे माइनस है तो माइनस यहाँ पे दे दीजिए, therefore माइनस ऑफ dou u by dou y to dx, and dou v by dou y is replaced by dou u by dou x into dx. Keep the values, therefore dv becomes minus dou u by dou y is nothing but minus of 2y plus 2 into dx plus, and dou u by dou x is nothing but 2x plus 4 into dx. Take the integral on both sides and this becomes the exact differentiation form, that is mdx plus ndy. Here you have to take the y constant, here if x is present eliminate, therefore v minus minus plus 2 outside, 2y outside, and integral dx x, minus plus minus 2 integral dx x. Here x is present, sorry अरे y नहीं चाहिए भाई, dy, okay, here x is present eliminate, 4 is constant, take it outside, integral dy y plus c. This is your imaginary part. And lastly, you have to replace this v by Shankar Trishul, that is psi of xy, 2xy minus 2x plus 4y plus c. Have you got? देखिए कौन सा ऑप्शन मैच कर रहा है, देखिए 2xy प्रेजेंट, ये कैंसिल हो गए, यहाँ पे माइनस, माइनस 2x, यहाँ पे प्लस 2x कैंसिल, माइनस 2x, अच्छा यहाँ पे भी माइनस 2x, यानी ये दो बच गए, प्लस 4y, यहाँ पे माइनस 4y, ओनली ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. इतना सिंपल क्वेश्चन था जो कि जस्ट 2015 में पूछा था. ओके, तो देखिए ऐसे सिंपल क्वेश्चन आते हैं, जस्ट आपको क्या करना है, struggle with questions, find the answers, make the ways, different ways to got your answer. Now see the another example. Let's discuss the last example which you are asked in T4 2013. तो देखिए T4 में इजीली क्वेश्चन नहीं देते, थोड़ा टफ रहेगा. तो देखिए तो क्या हो गया, हमें है ना, if z equals to x plus iy, then the function 1 plus x plus y, 1 plus x minus y plus e into x square minus y square minus 1 plus I into 2y 1 minus x minus x. तो देखिए यहाँ से ये पता चल रहा है कि this is your real, now I times this is your imaginary. Okay, where a is a real parameter. Okay, अभी ये जो a है is analytic in complex z plane if a is equals to, then our aim is to find this constant e parameter. तो देखिए u है हमारे पास, v है हमारे पास, तो हम using CR equation, okay, you can calculate the constant value a. Then we see first of all u equals to only, write it down, 1 plus x plus y, 1 plus x minus y plus a into x square minus y. This is your real part. Just rearrange this first. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into x, x. 1 into minus y, minus. Now, x into 1 plus x. X into x, x square. X into y, minus y, minus x. Plus y into 1, y. Y into x, xy. y into minus y square plus a into x square minus y square. Now see, u equals 1. This is x and this is x. नहीं है, x plus x 2x, ये भी कैंसिल. देखिए minus y plus y get cancel. Minus x plus xy get cancel. Therefore plus x square minus y square plus a into x square minus y square. Okay, this is your real part. Now what is the imaginary part? You have v equals to 2y 1 minus x minus ax. Okay, now we have a real and imaginary part. Now we have to use the CSIR equation to calculate this real parameter. What is CSIR equation? Dou u by dou x equals to dou v by dou y. तो देखिए पहले CSIR इक्वेशन यूज करेंगे. u का डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x निकालना है. तो देखिए a कांस्टेंट, यहाँ पे x प्रेजेंट है तो कांस्टेंट तो बाहर, x का डेरिवेटिव 1 यानी कि 2 है. ओके, यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर है तो 2x. ओके, x स्क्वायर का 2x. तो देखिए यहाँ पे ये तो कांस्टेंट होगा, यहाँ पे लिखिए ये कांस्टेंट हो गया और x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 2x. ओके, यहाँ पे तो y है. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. इक्वल्स टू v का डेरिवेटिव पार्शियली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y. नाउ सी here 2 times this much is constant, यानी कि 2 into 1 minus x minus ax, this is constant, and derivative of y with respect to y 1. Okay, now rearrange 2 plus 2x plus 2ax multiply these two to the bracket. 2 minus 2x minus 2x. Now see, 2 get cancel. Shift here for 2x plus 2x. This also shift, thereby 2ax plus 2ax equals to how many? 0. 2x plus 2x 4x. 2x plus 2x 4 times ax equals to 0. Therefore 4x equals to minus of 4ax. 4x equals to minus a into 4x. Am I right? Now 4x get cancelled. Therefore 1 equals to minus a. Therefore a equals to minus a. I can write. Now see, the option is given or not? Yes. The first option a equals to minus 1 is correct option. तो देखिए इसी क्वेश्चन था, जस्ट यहाँ पे उन्होंने चेक किया कि you are eligible to calculate this. तो देखिए वो कैलकुलेशन चेक कर रहे थे यहाँ पे. ओके, तो देखिए पेपर 2013 में क्वेश्चन था. ओके, फंक्शन दिया था, उसमें से हमें u रीअरेंज करना था. ओके, v तो इजीली दिया ही था. Then using the CSIR equation condition, we have derived and put the values just to calculate. Okay, so अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. Okay, see you in the next.